So, we're done running and I ate my breakfast na. And now, I'm on my way to my class. Okay guys, so I finished my class. And isang class lang ako today. And I'm on my way sa court kasi early kami papalo today. Good check! Zion is doing a vlog then. Wow! It's currently, what is it? 12:57 and we started playing, huh? Wait, let me show you. Hey guys, so we're on our way to the Blue Eagle Gym and umuulan ngayon. Wala pa kaming shirt. O, diba? Amazing! So, it's like 4:30 tapos wala pa kaming shirt. So, bahala na sila. So, now, andito kami sa car. Chill lang. Chill, girl. Grabe. So, we're inside the bag.
A few moments later.
Yeah!
Wow!
Captain, your turn. So pretty. We're next, guys! Yon?
Sure na ba?
Ano ngayon?
Pang 58. Wala pa tapos na.
It's a white out goal for Jessamine.
All the games, our Blue Eagles. Have a good night. We're going up. Bye! Bye! Uy! Thank you so much po! Ay, hala, dalawa. Thank you. Okay guys, so that's it. We're done with the cheer rally and then I'm so hungry. Like, I'm so hungry. Hey guys, so we're in the car. Kay Z na car. Ay, hindi ka makita. And we're on our way to UP Town. Ay, Bilat. Ay, sorry. Hey guys, we're here at UPTC. And we're on our way to the... Ay, Sumunico. Hey guys, we're here at Sumunico. Si Z. May ano doon. Guys, so as of now.
Posted.
Yeah. More. Hey guys. So,
Wow, I'm so full.
are you full?
I haven't eaten this much in so long.
Yeah, same. And we're gonna get dessert.
So you were just like,
Guys, so this is cheese.
there's actually more about.
Guys, so we're done na and we're so full.
Like my shirt is on top because I'm so full.
What's inside? Even
If a girl like Angela, she will bring like this.
Yeah. Yellow pad. With yellow pad all the time. Uy! New Balance. Get good. Okay guys, so we're done na. Ready to sleep na. My God, third year na talaga.
Tama na yung date.
Yeah. The line, guys. It's so mahaba. Hi! Ay, wait. Oh, okay, wait. Okay. Uwi na kami. I think it's in the back.
My idea.
Okay, guys. Nandito na kami sa dorm. And matutulog na kami. Bye, guys. Charot. Maliligo pa pala. Bye! Ooh!